Your Hyundai doesn't start just because the key turns. It starts after a digital identity check. When that check fails, you may get a crank no start, or even a full no start. A common clue is the security indicator acting wrong, because the car can't authenticate the key. This often appears after a key swap, an aftermarket key, or collision reassembly that disturbed wiring.
Inside many keys is a transponder chip, and that chip is the real permission slip.
The antenna ring energizes the transponder, then listens for a secure response within milliseconds. That signal moves through the authorization network to the control logic that confirms system start permission. Analyzing system parameters, verification is confirmed, start authorization granted. The key provides mechanical access. With code P0765, the problem isn't a starter, it's a communication break in that chain.
Sometimes the key is wrong, not programmed, or the transponder chip is damaged or missing.
Other times the reader fails, so it can't energize the chip or capture a clean signal. And basics still matter. Weak power, poor ground, or high resistance can collapse the entire handshake. Post-collision and rebuilt vehicles are risky because harnesses stretch, connectors loosen, and grounds corrode or shift. Another trap is module mismatch. Swapping computers without pairing can make the key look like an imposter.
Professionals start by verifying the complaint with an OEM-level scan tool and Immobilizer status data.
They watch where the start sequence halts, key detection, challenge response, or authorization, then test only that section. That means checking key type, then power and ground at the reader, then continuity and pin fitment. Analyzing system parameters, hardware verification in progress, access secured, the solution is confirmed for correct provisioning and pairing, encrypted authorization validated. Lock and Cal's takeaway. Treat P0765 as a broken identity handshake. Signal, power, network, and programming must all agree.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cal for more content like this.